thank you for watching. So I'm filming in daylight and there's proof because you can see some light back here. I apologize. I thought it would be a good idea to film downstairs because we have something that would require me to come downstairs anyways for this video. So I thought I'd switch it up, but maybe it's a poor idea. But we are opening up BloomsyBox. So this is a flower subscription. And if I look kind of freaked out in the thumbnail, it's because I dropped the box right when I was about to pose for it. So, but it looks fine. So before we get started, I just want to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. And my fact of the day was going to be what my favorite flower is, but I can't decide. I don't know what it is. So I do love houseplants. Over the past whatever months, since COVID started, I kind of have developed a little bit of a green thumb. I have a bunch of plants in the house, but they're all house plants. They're not flowering plants. So I thought BloomsyBox would be a great way to experience flowers. And I think having flowers in the home really makes it like a home. I don't know. When I was growing up, my mom would always have flowers in the house and it just brings back some good memories. So yeah, I guess that's kind of a fact I just told you, that I am terrible at picking favorites. I know when I was younger, I used to love tulips and lilies, which are both not safe for cats. I'll have a PSA of the day. If you have pets at home, always make sure that the plants are safe for being around your cats or dogs or whatever pet you have. I know I always check, and if something is considered not safe for cats, I just put the plant in a room that is cat free. So I have a few rooms at home, like my beauty room, that the cats aren't allowed in unless I'm in there. They're always closed doors. So yeah, that's my PSA and my fact that I don't know what my favorite is, but I would love to know what your favorite flower is so I could check it out. But let's get this open because these plants need some water. So BloomsyBox is awesome. They offer a bunch of different plans. They're all in the $40 range, and you could get them delivered either weekly or monthly. I did find a code that saves you $5, so I will link that down below. And they have, like I said, multiple plans. And the one I was sent free for review, which I'm super grateful for, thank you. It actually came from Ecuador, and they actually use all eco-friendly, sustainable farms, and they do such a good job trying to ship them straight from the source. Not trying, they do. They ship it straight from the source, at the peak of bloom. Is that a correct way to say it? Peak of bloom? You know what I mean. But it's in here somewhere. I think I have the deluxe box. Where did I see that? Oh, yep, deluxe. So the box itself is super cute, and I did open it. When you get it, it has instructions there, and then you could see your plants. So it says, remember, refill the vase with water if necessary. Keep the flowers away from ripening fruits. That's something I didn't know. Did you guys? Immediately remove wilted flowers, and then to set up, cut 1 inch off the stem and remove the lower leaves so that there are none in the water, and then put the flowers in the vase. And I did get a vase ready. I was gonna use this other one. It was actually a decanter, but I haven't been drinking, so I was like, oh, maybe I'll use that, but I think it was too small. And then sprinkle the content of the flower food sachet into a clean vase and add the right amount of cold tap water. Where are my scissors? So here is our Bloomsy food. And it tells you what to do on the back too. So I guess I could do this first. Oops, forgot to turn the volume off on my phone. Oh, I should sit under this. I have a sun mirror. It kind of looks like it's my halo. But I'm going to sprinkle the contents of the sachet into the vase. So there are flowers. And I love that it says 100% recyclable for the other plastic, whatever it is. Oh my god, I didn't even think about how this is perfect timing to get this because Valentine's Day is coming up. Oh, the cats are awake. Were you guys napping? These are flowers you're not going to be able to eat. They're mine. Oh, mine, sleepyhead. Our trunk's so tired. I'm being way too careful with this. Wow, a little off there, but I was about to say Valentine's Day is coming up. Or you could just treat yourself, Galentine's Day is a thing. Oh, that makes me miss Parks and Rec. But I just think there's so many reasons, for gifts. I always say Bella Box is a great one for gifting, but also a flower box too, right? Candles and flowers, you can't really go wrong with those. Oh my god, these are insanely beautiful. It smells so good. Oh my god. Oh, I love the colors. Yes, and look how they prepare them so well, or package them so well. I'm like talking more gently. These make me want to be like more of like a, I don't know what's the right word. These put me in like a calmer mood. Oh, that one flower is so pretty. I want these to last forever. You guys, these are beautiful. These colors are amazing. And I can't believe they're all in such good shape because I got these the other day and I was like sick in bed all day yesterday. I'm feeling better, by the way. Thank you for everyone who was super kind. And when I got them, I realized, no, there were flowers outside, but it was a cooler night in Florida and they are doing just fine. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to cut off the 1 inch at the end of these and put them in my vase, and then we will wrap this up and I'll just sit here and smell these all day and protect them from my cats. Alright, so I just put them in. I have to kind of arrange it a bit. But I think these are so beautiful. I am so happy they got here in good shape. That just proves if I opened it like a little late and they're in this good of shape, they do a really good job with packaging and picking them. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love it. I would love to know your thoughts. If you guys tried BloomsyBox, again, they will be linked down below along with a promo code to save $5. You could maybe use this as a gift for Valentine's or Galentine's Day, like I said, or treat yourself, which I say should be the #1 idea, always. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's really impromptu video. Again, sorry if the sound, the lighting, everything is off today, including me. I am super happy though that I got this, so yeah, can't wait to hear what your favorite flower is. Make sure to leave that down below. And what is my favorite in this one? I really like the color of this one. What is this, like a geranium? I don't know. I need to learn my flowering plants. I know my house plants pretty well now, but I love these. Well, thank you guys again, and special thank you to my channel members. You guys are the best. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no worries. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, I'm going to be sniffing flowers. Bye guys, love you. What the fuck's wrong with me?